Hello CEBIT, my name is Amar Mackey and I'm the Vice President of MassMobile, and we are located in Dallas, Texas in the United States. We are primarily a wholesale distributor of used mobile devices, primarily Apple iPhones and Samsung Samsung Galaxies as well. We currently operate in, I want to say, 5 continents that we currently sell to. Our purchasing is very aggressive, so we can obviously pass along those competitive pricing over to our clients. We also deal with e-commerce that we're slowly ramping up, but we're getting a pretty good feedback. Business is going great. We're definitely glad to be a part of CEBIT here and co-exhibiting with gsmExchange so far over the last day, and today's shaping up to be another pretty hectic day, and I feel like we'll definitely make our ROI on gsmExchange with the clients that we've made so far. We are expanding to hopefully service the Latin American region as well, so that's a project that we're working on here towards the latter half of 2018. Obviously, we'll follow up with more news on that. But in the meantime, our primary goal is to continue to service our existing clients, with the expected customer service that they, request from us, and obviously the top-notch grading that we provide to them as well. We use gsmExchange primarily to automate our postings, especially when we're trying to liquidate a wide variety of our stock. Tihana is our account manager, and she does a very good job of keeping up to date with what we have in terms of inventory and what we can sell to current clients and even new clients. I just feel like it's great for branding. Definitely want to get our brand out there and have everyone connect the face to MassMobile and just come and talk to us face to face. And a lot of people in our industry, they prefer that initial face-to-face contact first before they continue to do business or even start doing business. Show was great, definitely exceeded my expectations. Had so many different conversations yesterday to the point where I almost lost my voice when we got back to the hotel. Oh yes, I feel like this will definitely be an annual marketing budget for MassMobile.
I think you guys are doing a great job already, so we definitely will brainstorm once we get back, find out what we did, what we can do better for next year, and come up with suggestions. We'll definitely forward it your way.